Welcome! In front of me I have Mibro Watch T1 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First thing you will need to do is to turn on your watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the side button. Keep holding the button until you see the Mibro logo on the screen. After that, wait until the watch is done booting up. And after it boots up, you may see the list of languages on the screen. If you see it, scroll through the list, find the language you would like to use on your watch, tap on it to select it, and once you select the language, tap on the check mark to confirm. And after that, you will see the QR code on the screen, which means we can start pairing our devices together. So go to the phone you want to pair your watch with, make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, tap on the Play Store icon to open the Play Store, tap on search, tap on the search bar and type in Mibro Fit. Oh, my bad, it was Mibro Fit, not Rincon. And on the search result, you should see Mibro Fit application. Tap on install button to download and install it. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on open to open it. In the app, you should see this page, tap on agree and continue. Now we need to select the service area, so tap here. Wait until it's done loading, then you can tap on confirm, allow the location permission, scroll through the page, look for the region you want to use, tap on it to select it, then tap on next step, tap on next step, and now you should see the login page. If you don't have an account, you will or rather you can make the new one by tapping on no account register now, or you can use the third-party account like Google, Facebook and WeChat, and I'm not sure how this one is called. I already have an account, so I'm just gonna tap here, enter the email address and password, and then we can tap on login. Alright, we also need to check this box right here, then we can tap on login. After you log in, you may see some pop-ups about the permissions, for example, this one, and with this one is required, so allow it. And once you're done with the permissions, tap on device, tap on add device, tap on watch, scroll through the list, look for the T1 and tap on it, and wait, the app will start searching for your watch. So let's wait, it may take up a few seconds basically, so let's keep waiting. Okay, and here we have our watch on the list. Tap on it to select it. Then tap on continue. If you see this page, basically what the app wants you to do is to go to the Bluetooth settings and check if your watch is on the list of ready devices and something like that. But if you see this pop-up, tap on pair. And now we can continue, we can minimize the app, go to the Bluetooth settings on our phone. And basically what the app wanted you to do is to wait for the list of available devices to load and check if the watch was right here. And if it was, you can tap on it and then tap on pair. But it already popped up in the app, so we don't need to do that, at least on this phone, but sometimes basically it tells you to do it. So if you didn't get any pop-ups about pairing in the app, go to the Bluetooth settings, wait for the list of available devices to fill in, and this watch should be probably right here, and you can tap on it, and then you will see the pop-up about the pairing. Tap on pair, and then it will appear on the list of paired devices. And once you've done that, you can tap on finished, and you should see your Mibro Watch T1 right here on the device page. And if you wake up the screen on it, it should be ready to use. And that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.